Chicken fajita wraps are always on my weekday menu because they're so quick and easy to make and they're absolutely delicious. So you want to start off by slicing up some chicken, some onions and some peppers, and then you want to add the chicken and the onions and peppers to a bowl. Next you want to add in all the spices, and then you're going to add in some smoked paprika, garlic powder, cumin powder, chilli powder, salt, coriander powder and some lemon juice. You want to mix this all up, and then you want to set it aside for around half an hour to marinate. Then you want to take a pan, add some oil and add the marinated chicken, and then you want to fry this on a high heat for around 5 to 6 minutes on one side, and then you want to flip it over and fry it for about 5 to 6 minutes on the other side until it's looking juicy and delicious. Once the chicken is cooked, you want to take a tortilla wrap and you want to load the tortilla wrap up with some guacamole, some chicken, some sour cream, iceberg lettuce, and you want to carefully fold this up, and then you want to place it on a panini press, cut it in half and enjoy.